Hi everyone, it's Rose from the CRUNCHI team, and I'm here to talk to you about my newest obsession, our new Cheekmate liquid blush. You guys, I love this blush. It is formulated with pure earth pigments, which is going to give you that beautiful flush of color, as you can see. And then it has this amazing silky smooth texture because we're using sustainable plant squalene. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use it. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any blush, and I'm gonna go in with our liquid blush in pomegranate. I'm gonna apply 2 taps, just like this. And I like starting with 2, and you can build to your desired level of intensity. But again, I would start off with 2. And now I'm gonna take our number 4 angle brush, and I'm just going to blend in half circle motions across my cheekbone, bringing it in a little further to the apples of my cheeks. So it blends so seamlessly, just melting into skin, as you can see. And it gives me that healthy, rosy flush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in on my other cheek, and I'm gonna show you how to apply with your finger. So again, I'm just gonna apply 2 taps, and I'm gonna use my middle finger to gently blend. And you see how it just blends itself? I feel like this is the most user-friendly blush. And you can just build again to your desired level of intensity. If you can see like the difference, applying it with your hand is gonna give you more of a natural finish. So CRUNCHI fam, remember to get all 3 shades. We have Spice Mango, Guava, and Pomegranate, which I'm wearing. Make sure to try them out. They're all universal. They're perfect for every skin tone, and I know you're gonna love them. Let us know what you think.